Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the world settings in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the worlds menu. If you already created a world, here will be a new one, your old one waiting for you. You can of course enter it, as you can see, or you can edit it, as the tooltip suggests. And here you can change the world name, enable or disable PvP, do the same for fall damage, change the day-night cycle, speed from half to twice as fast, change the inventory penalty on death from none to drop all to partial drop. You can change the amount of resources loss on death and the durability loss on death. For example, I want to disable durability loss on death. I can now save the settings, and if I open this once again, as you can see, the changes have been saved. Of course, from here you can also open the world folder to change, for example, things directly. As you can see, I have no available mods right now, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.